Hello guys, it is me, duty time. For today's video, we are going to be going flying in those mini planes you can see in the sky flying around with my dad's boyfriend, Walle. And it's currently 5:15 in the morning, and I got no sleep last night. Let's go do something. That is so bright. All right, let's do this. So anyways, guys, as I was saying, we're gonna go fly with my dad's friend Walle, and he has had his pilot's license for I think about a year now. So he just rents as many airplanes and then he flies them, and so we're gonna go fly. We'll probably be in the air by 6, so we have to drive to Bountiful, and then we'll park, and then we have to meet him up, and then we'll drive, and then we'll be in the sky. Well, that is Lagoon, and you can see on the Ferris wheel how freaking awesome the lights are. There's Cannibal, there's Tower of Terror, Rocket. Alright, guys. We are here. Yep, there's his truck. I don't know if you can see it. Here is our airplane.
Or our casket.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
our casket. Ask Walle where he's taking us.
Where are you taking us?
We're gonna go out over Fremont Island and tell ghost stories. Headset ready to rock.
Dude, guys, look at these red lights. It's like a symphony, kind of. Like every second, everyone is just like going off. Beep, beep, beep. Hey, Walle, what's that thing for?
This is the pitot static tube, so it registers the air pressure when we're moving. The air pressure pushes inside of this little hole, and there's a hole in the back that has what they call static air pressure. It's not moving, and so that's what tells us how fast we are going through the air.
That's awesome. So my dad's gonna be sitting in one of these two seats. Wally's gonna be here, and I'll be right there. Alright, he's refilling the plane. So it's going right now?
Yep.
I can see the exhaust. Is that the exhaust pipe, Walle?
Yeah. Alright. Okay.
So what are all these buttons?
Alright, so we've got, a lot of buttons. These are our basic electrical controls. Your lights are here. Your pitot heat's there in case we're out in the cold. The battery master, the alternator, and the avionics master. Your key start for your magnetos, your carb heat, throttle, and fuel mixture is here. This is our atmosphere adjustment, so we'll pull this out, which is going to let that vent we were looking at outside, it's going to leave it open and push cool air through the cabin as we fly. And this thing does the same. These are all our breakers here, and our radio controls and our transponders there. So we're priming it for fuel right now, so we push a little fuel into the cylinders. This is our yoke that controls the ailerons and the elevator. We're doing a control check, make sure there's no resistance, no binding. And then the pedals down here is what controls the rudder.
Awesome.
This Sentry here is a backup, basically airplane positioning sensor, so it tells us where other airplanes are compared to us, and that way if something fails here, we have a backup that's actually connected to my phone. Yep. Okay, that's good, that's there. Clear prop. Oh, hold on, you gotta do this in the right order.
Hola, soy Lola. Oh, you can hear it.
Clear prop.
Alright guys, so there's my dad and Walle. On the other side of that plane is the plane we flew. But this, I think this is an older plane actually. It's freaking awesome. This one has way more controls. This is a low wing one. The one that we flew is a high wing. Hola. And yeah, this one's same thing, 4 seats, but there's like actually no room. That was such an awesome flight. So this is the plane that we flew. There's the exhaust pipe. That was so fun, going over the Pink Salt Lake. I can't believe it got us all the way there. This plane was built in 1967. That's when my grandpa was 13 years old. So, anyways guys, that was a fun flight. And that is the end of this video. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.